Microwave salmon? You bet. Believe it or not, the microwave can be used to poach salmon to perfection. And today we're going to be making it with some herbed couscous as well. Whether you live in a college dorm or have no time to cook salmon, the microwave is the perfect vehicle to cook salmon. And trust me, you're going to love this recipe. Let's start off with the salmon, and for that I'm using Mowi salmon. Their farm-raised Atlantic salmon is the quality salmon you look for when shopping for salmon. Season it to your liking. In this case, I'm using some lemon pepper. And now grab a microwave-safe bowl or shallow dish. As a side, we're going to be using couscous. You want to find the small couscous that is instant and place it inside the bowl. Add your chicken stock. If it comes with a spice kit, add that to it. Drizzle a little olive oil. And now we place the salmon on top. Cover that bowl with a plate. That's going to keep the steam in and cook the couscous and the salmon at the same time. Into the microwave, and now we wait. Now this is important. You want to make sure that it rests in the microwave for a few minutes before you open it up. That residual heat will cook the salmon perfectly as well as the couscous. Once it's done, you'll be surprised how easy it was to poach salmon in your microwave and have the perfect side for it. This mouth-watering salmon dish is so easy to make, and the best part is that cleanup is a cinch.